Hello everyone, this is EMS 402 Engineering Design. This course is for students semester A, students in semester A, year 1. My name is Muzamil. Today I'm going to give you introduction about SolidWorks, a little introduction about SolidWorks and its usage and its practical applications. And then I will go forward to direct you how to use SolidWorks in QMUL PCs and QMUL computers. So first of all, let me tell you, for those who don't know, many of you I hope already heard about SolidWorks because it's very well known and very common software in design engineering world. But for those who don't know about SolidWorks, is that I will give you a little introduction about SolidWorks. This is the SolidWorks official website. So here, as you can see, that SolidWorks is a powerful computer-aided design software primarily used for creating 3D models, 2D drawings like these, and it was being developed by Dassault System. It is widely used in engineering, product design, and manufacturing for its intuitive interface, robust design, simulation tools, and ability to support complex assemblies. So, if what kind of other software which you can use for the similar purposes? So there are different software. Maybe some of you heard about Creo Pro E, and there are other which is called AutoCAD and Autodesk. So, but SolidWorks is one of them. And why we prefer SolidWorks is that because if it is user-friendly software, it offers very graphical interface like that and easy to navigate for both beginners and advanced users. And and it has very good modeling capabilities. Like the core function is the creation of 3D parts, assemblies. Um, it also allows users to create solid models, surface models, and sheet metal parts, as you can see in here. And it is also good in parametric design. Like you can model features can be defined by the dimensions, and changes in one of the part of the model can automatically adjust in the related parts or in the main assembly. Like something like that, if you change the geometry in one part, it will automatically adjust. You don't need to rebuild all or redevelop all the SolidWorks part again. So other one of them main feature is assembly management, that it enables users to assemble parts to form a complete system, something like that or something like that or something like that. And the software also helps in managing large and complex assembly by breaking down systems into smaller sub-assemblies. Like you can if you want to build this component, so you don't need to build it in one part, you can build in small portions and then you can assemble all of them later. And then one of the more feature of this SolidWorks is its simulation and analysis. Like it can perform stress analysis, thermal analysis, fluid flow, and motion analysis. And also it has the manufacturing and prototyping. Like it can integrate CAM, computer-aided manufacturing capabilities, enable users to create machine parts for CNC machining directly from their models. So you can build this part in SolidWorks, and then you can also 3D printing. If anyone of you heard about 3D printers, so you can convert the file, SolidWorks file, part file into STL file, which can be read by 3D printer, and then you can actually build up your part in 3D printer. So it can also be communicated or transferred from SolidWorks part directly to CNC CNC machining, and then you can do the CNC machining on that part by with the help of SolidWorks design. And so if we talk about application of softwares, so if you have seen a lot of application here, also you can see easily that it can help in making mechanical engineering designs like machine components, assemblies, and systems, and also the 2D drawings for manufacturing. So 2D drawing, I can show you here. SolidWorks 2D designs. So something like that. Yeah, these are 2D designs. So you can also make 2D designs, and you can also make industry products such as automotive, aerospace, which you were having a look, and developing innovative product designs and complex shapes, text functionality, and verify design, both actual and production. And the very good feature of this SolidWorks is that you can define metal shields and weldments, which means that in SolidWorks you can include specific tools for designing sheet metal parts, such as creating flanges, bends, and cuts. Additionally, it can handle weldment and structures useful in manufacturing and fabrication industries. Yeah, and also you can do simulation and optimization, like you can build in simulation tools, help engineers perform strength tests, fluid dynamic simulation, and kinematic studies, which are crucial for validation design before they go. And also we already discussed about 3D printing and prototyping, so it is very easy to do that. And architecture and structural applications, automotive and aerospace engineering, and in education and training. So these were uh, the applications for using SolidWorks. So yeah, so this is architectural application, and if you want to see about aerospace, so this is aerospace. Yeah, so you can do this kind of stuff very easily with the help of SolidWorks. And one more uh, interesting application is 3D printing. So yeah, so once you build up some part, then you can uh, there is a feature in the SolidWorks that you can see how 3D printer will build up your part, and then you can do the necessary adjustments. So this bit is about the this part of our session was about the introduction, and uh, then so for those who have SolidWorks installed in their lab PCs, of course, IT made sure that every PC have SolidWorks installed. So this is simple. So just search SolidWorks in your Windows search, and open the software, start software. And for those who don't have SolidWorks installed in their PCs, this is very unlikely, but still I will show you how to use it. But because SolidWorks is not available for free on online, so but IT have Queen Mary IT have this central AppsAnywhere system in which they make it available for all the students about this software and the other softwares which I'm going to show you right now. So for that, in the Google search, you just need to type in QMUL apps anywhere and then enter. And here you can see on the very first option, you need to select AppsAnywhere IT services, and then just scroll down, and here you will see the for Mac, please use the following link, and for Windows, please use the following link. So just want to mention here that if you want to work from home on your personal computers like Windows PCs or Mac PCs, Apple products, then you have to use this software, because this software is not available for free online. So you need to use Queen Mary, Queen Mary's accessible website, where you just need to select AppsAnywhere QMUL, and then select the first link, this one, and then here you will see how to access AppsAnywhere as a student or an academic. And then here you will come for Mac, please use the following, and for Windows, please use following. And here, because I'm using Windows, so just select this link, and there you have this app store open automatically, and then you need to download this Windows app software, which is very light. It just take you a couple of seconds, to download, and once you download it, it will appear like this, Windows App Installer. So after that you need to select this one, double click Windows App Installer, and then you need to select open. Yeah, here you can see this is the database or the front of what IT has provided to Queen Mary students. So here you have all the softwares you might gonna need in during your study or during your course. So you can see Aspen HYSYS, Aspen Plus, Maple, Abacus, Origin Pro, some of the very famous ones, Hypermesh, Minitab, and then Mathematica, and but we need this SolidWorks, so just select SolidWorks. Yeah. So here you have SolidWorks. It will look like this. So just click anywhere, and this is the main screen of SolidWorks. So if you look into here, you have different options. Some of them are gray because you haven't started working, but these are the main. So here, this is one is to open if you already have a file or folder for SolidWorks. This is for new, and this is for welcome to SolidWorks page. Just have a look at this one. So here you have three options, which says part, assembly, and drawing. Part is the something to build from the scratch, like 2D or 3D, and assembly is you have two or three parts, you already made them, and but you want to know assemble them or combine them together. You will then use this option. And in drawing is for if you want to convert your 2D or 3D into proper engineering technical drawing sheet, then you will need this option to for drawing. But right now we will start from part option, and you can also select part option from here. So here you have three options: part, assembly, and drawing. So if you select this part option and then select OK, yeah, so this is the main interface of SolidWorks in part mode. So these are the different options or commands which you are going to use during your studies all the time. And the main objective of this today's session is that you will get used to of the very basic options and commands, so that when you will start your proper engineering drawing exercise, you are not struggling with the basic commands or basic options. So if you see on your left side, there are we all know that there are three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. And this is origin is here. So these all are the three options. Front plane, we all the time we need to select one plane to start our work on. And one important thing is the escape button is in your keyboard is very important, because whenever we want to not use a command or exit from a command, we can use ESC or escape button from your keyboard. And here if you see that when you will start your drawing, so because you are all the time you are zooming in and zooming out from your mouse wheel, so whenever you have your drawing like little dislocated from your screen, like it went to the right or it went to the left, I will show you during the work as well. You can select this zoom to fit, and it will automatically bring your screen right in the middle of your screen. And this is for zoom to area, like when you want to zoom only one part of the screen, then just drag it and then you can have it. And there are different options, but most useful are these kind of options. So this will show you the top part of the of your drawing. This will show you front, this will show you right, and this will left, and that this is the back side. So actually this is the cubicle which your drawing is supposed to be made. And so you have to choose all the time one of the plane to see where you need to work. So but today's session, I am going to show you some basic commands. So let's say we start work from front plane. So you need to select front plane from here, and then you will go sketch. So sketch is the command where you draw your 2D uh, drawing on x-axis and y-axis. So in the sketch menu you need to select sketch, and it will appear right in the middle of your screen. And as you can see that this line here, bar here, shows that this command is now open. Like you are in this command and you are working in this command right now. And here you can see that yes, you are in the command. And if you want to get out of this command, you need to select the here from exit sketch. All right. So if we want to start our work from this sketch, so yeah, so here are some of the planes. If you want to look at them, these are the lines which shows you the where are the planes. These are 3D, which show you all the three planes, top, right, and the front plane. This is the central lines. Like these are the things which you can control what you want to see during the drawing, because if you open all of them, then it will make your drawing or 2D picture very congested and very busy, so that it will be very hard for you to understand. So let's keep it simple. And this is the front plane which we select for sketch. So as far as this command or any command other than sketch is below this line, it shows that this is open and you are working in that command, and you cannot work on other commands until you will end working in this command. So whenever you will draw something, you need to select OK, and then you will select exit sketch, or whatever command you need to select exit, so that you can start working on your next command. So let's start with your basic sketch. Let's see. And for reference, I always pressure to put the center line. So here are line command, this is circle command, this is spline, sphere, and this is center point arc. Yeah, you can see in the video how they are doing it. Like if you want to make an arc and you have the curved length, either you have curved length or either you have two angles that you want to go from here and there, then you can use this one. This is the ellipse. Like these are the basic commands which we'll use during the time. And this is the trimmer. So if you have some uh, error lines, or the lines which you don't want on your screen, you can use trim. I will show you with time. So let's start with center line. So select center line, and then right in the middle, start with your center line like this, and then press ESC, and then select again ES center line. And then if you come here, it will show you where is the references. It will show you the reference from the points which you already made. So let's start from here to here, and then here to. So as you can see right now, we have two x-axis and y-axis. And if we want to draw a line, let's make a simple box. So when you are drawing something, so when it reaches to proper parallel or horizontal axis, it will show you this sign, the yellow sign. You can see it shows that you are now in a very x-axis. So you need to select again. It will now fix it, and then it will start a new direction. So when you go up, it will show you the perpendicular or y-axis uh, constraint. It is called constraint. So now this constraint is now green color, like it is fixed now and it is defined now that this line is in perpendicular or very x-axis. So sorry, I select another command. Yeah. So then you will come here, and when you see here, like when you reach here, it automatically take the reference from this line, and when you come here, it will automatically take the reference from this line. So this is what we were discussing about user friendly, that it helps you taking the measurements. Like you don't need to measure how long this one is so that you can draw something like equal, or you don't need to measure how long this line is so that you can draw something equal. So here it shows if you click here, it will be very equal to the line below. So let's click here, and then you want to join them like this. So here it is a complete box. I press ESC or escape button from keyboard so that I come out of the line command. So yeah, if you see this one is in gray color or dark color, it means that your sketch is complete. It complete means like it is uh, all the lines are connected with each other and it is solid now. It's not open-ended, so you can it is filled now. uh, you can do the extrusion. I will show you the extrude after this, but let's read some basic information from this picture. So as I show you, these are the constraints. This is showing horizontal, this is showing vertical, and this one is showing vertical, and this one is showing coincident, like these lines are coincident with each other. So these are the constraints which are automatically defined during our drawing. And yeah, so one of the important information is these units. So you can change the units from here. So right now I am working in milligram second, but you can change into centimeter gram second or meter kilogram second or inch pound second. But I am using milligram second, which is by default, and it is fine. But you can always change it. And if you want to take dimensions, you want to fix the dimension of this line, then you need to select this one, smart dimension, and just select the line, and it will automatically show you the dimension. And when you select again, it will automatically ask you how long it should be. So then you need to select 200 and select enter like this. And if you want dimension from here, you can use two options. Let's suppose like this and like this, and then it will show you something like this. Or if you select ESC, you just select this one and it shows you this direction. Like if you want a dimension, any dimension, which sorry, 100, yeah. So if you want some dimension which if you want a dimension in between 2 points, let me show you, like this line, and it will automatically show you will start showing you the dimension for this complete line. If you remember, we draw two lines here extra for central line from here and here, but we don't want it. We want the distance from the central line to this point, so that this whole box will come into the middle. So you need to select this line and then select this line, and it is automatically showing you this one. And then you will say it as, because this total is 200, so you will say it as 100. Now it will come into the middle. So now this drawing is a box, but if you want to make it in the middle of along the x-axis as well, then select this line and then select this line, and now you have 42. But you know the whole length is 100, so half of 100 is 50. So you see this is now in the middle, and the blue color means it's not strong, but the black color means this is now fixed, or this is now a strong dimension. We use these terms so that we understand that now we defined it. Now it cannot be, it only we can change it. But let's suppose if we make it 100, we cannot make it 50. This side part of the side is 50 because we already defined this dimension. It should be 100. So it should be 100 as well, and we cannot change it like 50 here and 150 here. We cannot do it. First we need to change this one, or we can just remove this one, then we can fix the dimension of this side. So this is about the sketch. This is how you make a very basic sketch, and you can rotate it so that you can see where are you, what have you made in 3D, because it's 2D, so you cannot see the back or anything. And here you can see different planes. Okay, so you draw this one here, and sorry, yeah, so this is your front plane which you use. This is your right plane, but you cannot see right now, but you can see is back. So from the back it looks like this. So but we were working on front plane. Let's go back to front plane, this one, and from here you can zoom in, zoom to fit. So these are the commands, and which I was showing you. The other thing is, if you let's suppose during drawing you just by mistake you draw something like this, and now it doesn't make any sense because it is a mistake. So what you can do is just you need to select this trim entities, select this, and then draw like this, and it will automatically delete all the unwanted lines. Like the center line, we don't need the center line, like this, like this, and this, and this. So it will automatically delete all the unwanted line. So it's up to you if you want to keep it or don't keep it. Then you need to select OK, or you can also go back by select ESC or escape. So now your sketch is complete. You can select from here exit sketch. You can make different command, different type of pictures here, or different type of drawings here. It's just to make yourself comfortable with these commands. You can either make circle or ellipse or anything from here. Just to be sure, let's suppose we make a circle from here like this. We come in this middle, and then we select this of any length, and then we select exit sketch like this. And then if you go to features, in features we have a list of number of commands we can use, and we will use during our study. So here you will select extrude. So now you can see that your extrude, you can convert your 2D, you have converted your 2D into 3D. So by extrude it means that it will increase or decrease the depth of your drawing. So you can increase or decrease the depth of your drawing either by dragging this arrow. It will show you on both direction, or you can change it from here. Like if I do 60 instead of 57, 60, and then from here I can say that okay, it should be from the mid plane. Mid plane means if I increase or decrease it, it will be from the center on both sides, or I can say it was offset. Sorry, yeah, it should be from sketch plane, or it can up to the vertex. Like the vertex is this reference point, and or up to the surface, because sometimes we have another drawing, uh, uh, another engineering drawing somewhere here, so we can just say that it will go, the extrusion will go up to that surface, offset from the surface, and then offset from the surface it is 0 now, and then we need to give some number, and up to the body or mid plane. So mid plane is like this, or you can give the dimension here. Let's suppose 100 like this, and then you will select OK. So now this is your solid part, and now this is your solid part, but a 3D part, something looks like a brick. So, and other thing which we are going to cover in this session is that after extrusion you can also build or draw some part on this 3D part, on this your solid 3D part. For that you just need to select the site which you want to work on. Let's suppose I select this site, and then I need to go to sketch and then sketch. It will automatically show you on your front screen, show you the side where you want to work on. And then let's suppose you draw a circle here like this, and then select OK, and then exit sketch. So you see that this 2D sketch is now on your original drawing. And if you want to extrude this one as well, then you need to select, go to features and select extrude. So now you have this pole onto your picture like this, and then you need to select OK. So you see it is now in here. It is now being made in your original body. So this is how you use the sketch and then extrude. So these are the very basic and the very initial commands you need to learn when you are starting using your sketch, your CAD designing or engineering designing. So for this session, this is it, and I want you guys to practice more and more by using these sketch features, these different features, and try to build something decent, or try to use extrude. Every time you draw something, extrude, and then draw something on your original or your last drawing, and then extrude, and then draw something, so that you get used to of these basic commands, and then how to manage your planes, how to manage your views or sides, so that you will get used to it. So that's it for the first session. Best of luck. Thank you very much.